Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing my birthday makeup as it is my birthday. Sorry for the hecticness behind me. I know my room is a mess. Seamus has gotten the best of me. I will say that much. So today's my birthday, December 23rd. I'm doing my birthday makeup. Little insider information. It's actually not my birthday today because I'm pre-filming this a day early because I really don't want to film on my birthday. I just want to do my makeup and go. So today I thought I'd sit down and just play around and figure out what I want to do for my birthday makeup, and this is 100% it. It is so me. I love a grunge glam, and that's exactly what this is. So before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys one more thing. It's probably gonna frighten some of you. I hurt my tongue so bad, I don't want to show it to you, but in case you see it, I'm fine. I bit my tongue extremely bad. I fell, it bit, bled, and now it's like a little bruise. But I'm fine. But in case you see that, just know that's what happened. It'll heal in like 2 days. Without further ado, let's get on with this makeup tutorial. So today on the eyes, I want to use the NARS Ignited palette. This was one of the first videos I filmed for Seamus, and my microphone wasn't working. I had a crazy filming day. Prior to Seamus even starting, I filmed like 4 videos in one day. I was like, yes, I'm getting started, you know, so well for Seamus. I'm getting on a good foot. I'm gonna have a nice amount of videos built up, so I'm not dying by the end of Seamus, which I'm kind of dying right now, to be honest with you. I'm gonna first go into this kind of creamy brown up here, and I just want to pop this into the transition, just build that up so our other shades can fade right into that. But like I was saying, I had pre-filmed with this video. I loved this palette. I was so excited about that video. I went to edit it and my audio was crazy. It sounded horrible. And so you guys never ended up getting to see the look I did with this palette, and it's been like my favorite palette I've tried in a long time. So I had to refilm this. I just didn't know when. So I thought, hey, let's do it for my birthday makeup. I love this palette so much. So this NARS palette is actually exclusive to the Sephora app, I believe. So if you go on your smartphone and you download Sephora, or you already have it and you go on the Sephora app, it's right on there. It's the Ignited palette, and I'm absolutely crazy over it. It has beautiful matte, beautiful shimmers, and then like electric sparkle colors. It's just divine. And then I'm gonna pop into this chocolatey brown here. It is matte, and you guys know I love a smoky eye. It's just my go-to. I don't care what the situation is. I will be smoked out, people. So let's talk about what I want to do for my birthday. This is the saddest thing you will ever hear. I'm literally a grandmother. It's as if maturity has just jumped in my body, and I hate it so much. I want it to leave. Alok's been asking me all month, like, what do you want to do for your birthday? Since it's so close to Christmas, a lot of times it takes a decent amount of planning because things are booked, you know, there's a lot of holiday parties and things going on, so we always have to work a little harder to make sure we can get reservations somewhere if I want to go to eat or something like that. So this year I was thinking long and hard, like, what do I want to do? And I finally like concocted the most perfect day. So what I want to do is I want to go to brunch. That's like key. I want to go to brunch and have like 10 mimosas and 10 bellinis. I want to get a little toasty at brunch. Okay, that's a given. I want to go to Barnes & Noble. I want to get in line, get a delicious coffee. And then here's like the big whoop. The big shebang. I want to walk around and not be bothered. I want to be able to take as much time as I want to find a decent amount of books that I can read. I just want to be undisturbed, walking through Barnes & Noble with my coffee and taking the time to find some magical books that I can read. That's all I want in the whole world. Because anytime I go book shopping, Alok's always with me. So anytime I go with Alok or if I go with friends, like, they're in and out. They know what they came for, and no one ever just lets me wander, and I just want to wander the aisles of Barnes & Noble. I want it so bad. So the other night I was like, Alok, I know what I want to do for my birthday. And he's like, oh great, what's it gonna be? And I was like, you're really gonna hate it. You're really gonna hate what I want to do. And he was like, all right, let's hear it. Because my birthday, of course, also lands on Football Sunday this year. Why of all days? And he was like, that's what you want to do for your birthday. That's it? I was like, yep, that's all I want. And he was like, okay, are you sure? And I'm like, yep. Doesn't that just sound so ideal? I think that sounds like the most relaxing day. Oh, it doesn't end there. So after I go to Barnes & Noble, I want to go home and I want to take a nap. So I don't take naps. I've never been a napper. Alok takes a nap every day when he gets home. I never take a nap. It sounds just like so good. I see people taking naps and I'm like, that looks wonderful. Like, how do I do that? So I want to come home. And I've already told my friends and family, don't call me, don't wish me a happy birthday, do not text me, because I'm going to be napping. I'm going to come home and I'm going to lay down and I'm going to sleep. I'm not going to set an alarm. Oh, I'm not going to set an alarm. I'm going to sleep until I want to wake up. Even if I wake up at like 8 p.m., I don't care. It's my birthday. I can do that. Then, once I wake up, you guys are learning a lot about me right now, by the way. This is SHAE all the way. Once I wake up, I want to go downstairs, lay on the couch with all 3 of my cats. I want them to be, you know, surrounding me with love. Okay, before I get onto this next part, and this next part is crucial, let's move on to the eyes. Real quick, I'm going to take the MAC Feline Eye Pencil. Oh no, it feels like this pencil is drying out. Dang it. You know what? Let's switch it up. I don't want to ruin this makeup. I'm going to take my Urban Decay Perversion. No, it's Zero. It's not Perversion. Zero eyeliner. Much creamier. Okay. So anyway, I'm going to wake up, you know, grab my cats, get on the couch with my blanket. I want to buy a Candy Crush, like, playtime pass. Like, if you play Candy Crush, you know you can buy little packages for, like, you know, boosters and stuff for the game. I'm an intense Candy Crush player, if you did not know. Intense. As we're going, let's just blend out that black line so it doesn't get too harsh. Just smudge her with a little smudgy brush. This is my Sigma E30 pencil brush. So I'm gonna buy a play pass of like 6 hours because normally you only get 5 lives in Candy Crush and then you have to wait for your timer to bring back more lives. So I want to buy a 6-hour playtime Candy Crush package. And I want to lay there till 5, 6 a.m. and just, you know, go hardcore at Candy Crush. That's not all, you guys. Say I'm like, you know, 3, 4 hours into Candy Crush and I get a little bored. I'm then gonna go to my Uno app because I play a shit ton of Uno. I'm not kidding. And I'm gonna buy an Uno pass. And I'm just gonna murder everyone in the Uno game. It's a super fun app if you have the Uno app. This is not sponsored. This is just my sad life. You play like real people and you can kind of like shit talk each other. And so I just want to destroy some lives, you know, in Uno. I want to make them cry. And that's what I want. That's what I want for my birthday. Does that not sound ideal? Taking a flat side of a brush and I need my setting spray. Oh goodness, where is my life? This is my Smashbox primer water. I got my brush nice and wet and we're gonna go into this sparkly shade in the NARS palette. It is so beautiful. And I'm gonna pop that right on top, everywhere, completely coating it. There's like so many beautiful micro glitters in this eyeshadow. I can't even express it to you guys. And I know my camera does not do it any justice. Like, it's so beautiful. I think it's the most beautiful NARS product I've ever seen. Not even just limited to NARS. It's one of the prettiest glitter eyeshadows I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, I feel like this palette is what the Too Faced glitter palette wanted to be, but it just couldn't do it. This is like sleek, sexy, sophisticated glitter instead of like fun, silly glitter like the Too Faced one was. I did enjoy that palette, but the shades were just a little goofy, you know? They were just like fun shades, whereas this is like super sexy. I think it looks really high fashion, and I'm just so crazy about it. I do believe this palette's limited edition, so get your hands on it while you can. Again, I think it is exclusive to the Sephora app. Now we're just going to tightline with the Urban Decay Zero eye pencil. Nice and black like my soul. I'm feeling like delirious. I mean, this eyeshadow is insane. And then let's smudge that out. This is my Sigma E34 brush. This might seem like weird makeup for just like a brunch date, but it's just what I like. I like it dark, you guys know that. Grunge Glam is just like my vibe. And then I'm gonna take some of that brown again, right on top of it. Smoke it in there. Smoke 'em if you got 'em, as the cool kids say. Oh, look at me, I'm old already. That was like the oldest thing I could have said. But I'm really excited. I'm turning 29. I don't think I told you guys how old. So in case you're curious, I'm turning 29 years old. Half dreading it that my 20s are almost over, but also like half super excited. I think 29 is going to be a really exciting year for me. Like, I have so many exciting things going on. Like, I'm getting married this year, or next year, I guess. It's not quite 2019 just yet. Like, finally marrying my best friend. Literally, if you guys didn't know, Luke was my best friend for many years before we even ever dated. I'm going to take my liquid liner. This is the Beauty Bakery Lollipop liquid liner, and I'm loving this liner. It goes on so freaking smooth. It's so weird. I feel like I've all of a sudden gotten really bad at winged eyeliner. I don't know why, but I just feel like I'm really bad at it. So I want my lashes like nice and thick, but I don't want to wear falsies because it's my birthday and I hate falsies, so I don't have to wear them. So I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. If you guys could be BFFs with anybody on YouTube, who would it be? And please don't think you have to say me. I'm not fishing for that, I promise. Mine would probably be Michael Finch. I'm obsessed with him, and SHAE, of course. Like, literally, it would be my dream to be best friends with Michael Finch and SHAE. Their videos, when they film together, it's my favorite thing in the world. I wish they did it more. They make me laugh so hard. They, like, definitely have my sort of humor. I feel like on camera, I seem, like, super sweet and quiet because I try not to say any of the horrible things I say in real life. I feel like I'm just like them. They should let me be their best friend. Was that the creepiest thing I've ever said? I don't know. Probably not. All right, eyes are done. I'm feeling fabulous. How gorgeous is this eye makeup, honestly? Now you know we need to bronze. We need to contour. I'm taking my KKW Beauty bronzer in the shade number 2 first for contour with my Sigma F23 angled brush. And pop that in there. And a little on the forehead. Bronze the forehead, pray to Jesus. You guys know. You know the drill. Last night while I was editing, I watched Frozen and it was amazing. I was like, oh my gosh, it's almost Christmas and I've not watched any Christmas movies other than, and it looks so annoyed, I've watched The Holiday like 15 times. And of course, just a bit of shade number 1, which is the warmer color. Warm those cheeks up a bit. What are your guys' big goals for 2019? Let me know. All right, we need a little highlighter up on this bitch, okay? I'm taking my new favorite in the world, the Amrezi Anastasia highlighter. Oh my goodness gracious. You guys saw me try this for the first time in my first impressions video this week, testing overhyped makeup, and it is worth every hype in the world. It's so hard for me to not get carried away with it because I love it so very much. She's glowing. She's a glowing. I just ordered one of these specifically for my wedding day. I will not open it until my wedding day. I'm just gonna take my finger and take a dab of this on the inner corners. Oh my gosh. Like, no joke, this is the best highlighter that's ever been invented in the entire world ever. On the cheeks, I'm taking one of my new faves. This is the NARS Hot Tryst Cheeky Palette. It's actually just called the Cheek Palette. I don't know why I called it the Cheeky Palette, but hey, whatevs. I'm going a little backwards today, if you can't tell. I did highlighter before blush. I don't know why. I love this kind of mauve lavender shade. Just popping that on the cheeks. So cute. Love it. And I'm going to line with, of course, my favorite lip liner in the world. This is the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in the shade Rockin' Rose. And then on the lips, I'm taking an Estee Lauder lipstick. This is in the shade 430 Crazy Beautiful. That's cute. And that is it for this look, you guys. It is exactly what I will want on my birthday. I'm glad I sat down and did this and kind of planned it out right now so I can just roll into it. Like, do you ever have something important, like say your birthday, and you just sit down to do your makeup and you hate your makeup and so it's like ruined? That event is ruined. I'm glad I've like pre-thought out what I want to do, and this is perfect. It's probably going to be my Christmas makeup too. I just love it so very much. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up down, and turn on your video notifications so you do not miss another video. We only have 2 more videos left after this. It is so, so sad. Thank you guys for being with me for SHAEMOS. Thank you for your birthday wishes, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday. I love you so much, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye!